Pyramids are fascinating structures that have captured human imagination for centuries. These monumental buildings, primarily found in Egypt, are more than just tombs. They are symbols of power and mystery. Did you know that the Great Pyramid of Giza was the tallest man-made structure for over 3,800 years? Imagine that. Pyramids were constructed using massive stone blocks, some weighing tons. The precision with which they were built is astonishing. How did ancient civilizations manage such feats without modern technology? Theories abound, from skilled labor to advanced mathematics. Beyond Egypt, pyramids exist in various cultures. The Maya and Aztecs built their own versions, serving as temples and ceremonial sites. Each pyramid tells a story, revealing the beliefs and practices of the people who built them. Today, they continue to inspire awe and curiosity. What secrets lie within their walls? Archaeologists are still uncovering hidden chambers and treasures. Pyramids are not just relics of the past. They are gateways to understanding ancient civilizations. Their grandeur and enigma will forever spark our fascination.